Okay, today is Saturday. We're making a watermelon explode with elastic bands.
How many do you think it'll take?
80 million.
Oof, well, we better start going then. Number one?
How many do you think, Mom?
How do I even put this on?
Well, let's see if I can help. See if the baby will let me put her down for a hot second.
Baby, we need those.
Okay.
Am I?
Okay. Stretch it over. Oh no, it's gonna be harder than we thought. Because it's not a
big watermelon.
Got him? 34. $99, Wayne Gretzky.
Hey, what's this one, Seth?
60.
100.
100.
100.
100 en español.
Yen.
We have 100 elastic.
97.
What are we at? Count us out, Shoddy.
198.
190.
That one broke.
Last
that one's
one.
oh, not broken. Going back on. 198.
199. Okay, ready?
Here it comes.
200.
200.
Dos.
Let's bring it out.
Bring them out. Bring them out.
We're at 225 and a snack break.
Hey, babe. What's ET short for?
Yeah.
Because he's got tiny legs.
Good one.
What?
Okay. Hey,
What do you think?
Where are we going?
Outside.
Where should we take this party?
Outside.
All right, we're at 228 and starting to see it cave in.
Water Malone. Post Malone's brother.
Did you just say that's Post Malone's brother? That's funny.
Maybe.
Watermelon.
Yes.
How many do we have now, Seth?
350.
350.
Hey.
There's juice. We're at
see-
363.
Oh, there's a nice drip.
65.
See that? That's
366.
See? Watermelon juice.
67.
When it explodes, we're gonna have any pieces.
Do you remember what watermelon is in Spanish?
Sandia.
Ah, good job. 387.
Spit it just so I can find some juice.
Okay, let's try again. It's leaking like crazy. We had to make a trip downtown to get more bands.
Then we can do it. Please don't focus. I love it! I need my safety glasses.
You can get them if you want. Okay, we're rolling again, Seth. How many are we at?
416.
Possibly.
500.
500 elastic bands.
Whoa.
501, 502. Holy! Look at it. I didn't think that was gonna happen like that.
Oh.
That's like
400 some odd elastics. The aftermath.